welcome to day 5 of the February Follies. Cloud straight pour. Okay, the first thing we're going to do today is layer our cup. Should take about 7 ounces to cover this 14 by 14. So I'm just gonna, I'll tell you my colors as I go. This is golden smalt. I've never used it before. I'm interested. Now we're gonna go in with a little gold. Just a little, because remember, that'll be the middle. Now I have some Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. And some golden Quinacridone Magenta. I have golden Anthracnone Blue. Cloud Mix. Don't go too heavy. Gold. I'll go a little more Cloud Mix. A little more gold. Gonna go back in with the smalt. Tantakichi Chameleon Blue, Purple, Red. There is our highly questionable cup. Okay, I'm gonna put myself down a puddle of the Nick Pro Metallic Gold. This canvas got something started on it, but it never got past the very starting stage, so we're just gonna use it. Tightened it up good. There we go. Yes, I'm doing a cloud straight pour. I am not doing it as a lovely little, well put together, pretty thing on a round canvas. Why no, I am not. I'm gonna do a galaxy style because I want to. Okay, so we're gonna go right from the middle, doing a straight pour. right, so here we are. And our flow extender today is going to be our same mystery black. I'm not real sure where it came from, but I'm pretty sure it's scrapes. I decided that just for fun and games, I'm going to spin this. Because why not, right? Sure, Kel, why not? Now I do kind of want to tilt more than I want to spin. So I'm gonna just I need to grow another arm. Okay, now we can tilt for a little bit. I have either a big bubble or a big something happening here that I don't really like. Now let's continue on our merry way. I like this. I think I like it right where it is. I like the dark and the light. Around this way. I don't think it will. I want to see something. Okay, here are wet results. I really like the way this turned out. I really did not like the center of it very much. So I just tilted it off. I had enough paint, so why not? I have lighting issues. Here we go. All right, so yes, we got clouds. Yes, this was a straight pour. Absolutely, you watched me pour it. I really like this painting. I like the way that the dark is so dark and broody and diffuse. And then we come into this bright magenta, pink, gold cloud business. I think this is really pretty. I did not like it at all until I tilted the crap out of it. Now, I wish I would have had enough paint left to kind of tilt this corner, but you know, it's not so bad. I just didn't. I ran out of paint because I ran it all off of this side right here. It's okay. I don't mind it. It looks like a fold. So, there we go. What do you think? We have clouds. We have a straight pour. What more could you want? Right? Right. Let's look for sparklies. Okay. We may not have a ton, but we're gonna have some. That's that Chandakeji chameleon blue, purple, red sparkling up at you right there. There's some of our gold. And of course the cloud mix has Vallejo Pro Medium in it, so it's gonna be a little sparkly. I'd hope that by layering the gold in the cloud, I would have some gold, some gold edge clouds, but I don't. I got a little. There's some gold in there. This is right around where the biggest mess booger in the world was. It tilted out pretty well. Yay. Oh yeah, sparklies. That's what we're looking for. We're gonna find some here in a second. I can guarantee it. Looky there. Looky up here. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. And then we have a bunch down in here. So pretty. I really like these colors together. Yay. Look at that. Wow. So yeah, I'd say we got everything I was looking for here. That corner up there is really dark, but not so much when it's not, you know, dark as night in your studio. So anyway, there we go. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with me today. No dry results. Still trying to figure out how to do those. And hey, before you go, would you please hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I always do. And I will see you guys next time.